found out about biological medicine, it opened up a whole new world and a new way to look at patients and to look at health, which I hadn't seen before. My main role is an IV infusion nurse. So I do IV infusions of vitamin infusions and certain other infusions. When a new patient comes to the clinic, I'll have an IV consultation with them. I'll draw labs. Based on my consultation and the lab work, I will talk to the provider, the doctor. We will come up with a plan for what IV infusion would benefit that patient based on what they're looking for, what they're looking to gain.
We do standard routine blood tests like every physician does. But we don't look at normal levels, we look at what we prefer to call optimal levels, because optimal is quite different than normal. There's so many studies and research that have come out that somewhere in the average of about 80% of the American population is deficient in at least one nutrient.
A lot of the times we'll do a bioclassic IV, which is a lot of vitamins in there. Vitamin B, some vitamin C. Glutathione is another big one that we use in there, which is great for immune support. I'll have patients that'll come in before travel and they'll have an immune boost IV done before they go on the plane. And when they come back and I do another infusion on them, they didn't get sick. So it's great for travel, certain IVs. We have ones that are geared towards athletes that will replenish anything lost. And then we have IVs that are just geared towards maintenance too. The patients that do get this swear by the IV infusion, especially for the immune support. I do have some patients that have cancer that I see weekly, and how they feel after the infusion, after I'm talking to them the next week, is a total 180 from what they were feeling before. So it's an amazing thing, especially for our chronic patients. I also do ultraviolet blood irradiation. It is an infusion of your own blood that we pass through ultraviolet light. So it is killing any viruses, bacteria. We're not taking all the blood from the body, of course. It's this small amount. But when we reintroduce that into the body, it almost creates this kind of shock to the body in the immune response, which in turn gets the immune system going. So we're a comprehensive holistic center. We cover the whole body and the mind, not just one area. We have the bioenergetics, our IV vitality, of course. The amount of stuff we offer here is not offered anywhere else around here. This is very, very exclusive to what we can do here, and it's great to be a part of.